Oh my God, you know she's been sitting. Look at look at this absolute jungle in front of the LAPIN. Oh my God. Shiny. This is good. Whoa, much heavier than the cappuccino. Not rubbing on the sides. Oh, are we misaligned? No, we're not. Perfectly aligned. It's hitting it right there. So as you move this latch, it's gonna fall, see? Just like that. So let's go ahead and just do a drop. Boom. Now, I must say, everybody, there is a problem with what we just did. Can you point it out? That hood looks immaculate, but some of the surrounding area, like this cowl here, looks like ass. The hood had no clear. This actually seems salvageable, and this is fine. That's just contaminants, you see. It's still shiny there, still shiny there. Rob's gonna take care of this. I'm not gonna do any of that. Actually, one more thing before we go, no joke. I just realized we don't have a LAPIN badge, so we are going to throw this on before we wrap up. It goes right here. The curvature matches the car in both, I don't know what you call that, like yaw and whatever. So it's curved in such a way where it fits right there, pretty clear cut. So let's get it done. We got to clear our surface, make sure it's dry, and then we'll apply it. Holy crap, there's a big bee! If it was a bumblebee, who cares? Holy crap, you can hear that thing from down the block. Oh, what are you doing? Racing stripe. Found dead center of that, so we just line it up like that, and that's the center of the back. All right, so we got the line matching the contours on the body here, and that's pretty damn straight. We found dead true center, remove the vinyl. Always use, you know, a lot of people use masking tape, that painter's tape. I don't like that. I like vinyl tape because it doesn't do anything to the paint. There's no residue. So that's all done for now. Got the little bunny ears on the eye. That's always really cool. Nice little character touch, and that's it.